You're in the middle of a massive video game boss fight. Your hands are flying across the controller, and suddenly the power goes out. Every ounce of your progress and all of your active data vanishes. This happens because standard computers have a specific vulnerability. They require a continuous, unbroken stream of electricity to keep their memory active. Inside traditional hard drives and RAM, the system encodes data by moving the electrical charge of electrons through the circuitry. That electrical charge is a temporary state. It works as a holding pattern, maintaining the information only as long as power flows through the wires. If the circuit breaks, whether from a grid failure or someone tripping over the power cord, that holding pattern collapses instantly. Without electricity pushing those electrons, the system loses its grip, and the computer's ability to recall short-term information drops to zero. Our digital infrastructure relies on an uninterrupted power supply to keep its memory intact. To see why this limitation exists, we have to look at the microscopic circuitry of a standard computer wire. In traditional electronics, electrons act as vehicles. Their job is to carry electrical charge from one point to another. Shuttling this charge is energy-intensive, requiring a constant power input to keep the electrons in motion. Moving electrons strictly to carry charge leaves their other physical properties unused. Electrons actually possess a secondary physical property that exists independently of their electrical charge. In quantum physics, this is called spin, or intrinsic angular momentum. It causes the electron to behave as if it were constantly rotating on its axis. This rotation turns each electron into a microscopic permanent magnet with north and south poles. By treating electrons as tiny magnets, physicists developed a field called Spintronics, which provides a new framework for manipulating digital data. If we look inside the nanoscale architecture of a spintronic computer chip, the physical rules of memory change. Scientists use a quick zap of electrical current not to push the electron down a wire, but to rotate its magnetic orientation. This current snaps the electron's magnetic poles into a fixed, rigid position. This is the basis for magnetic random access memory, or MRAM. It stores data by locking magnetic orientations into specific patterns. Because magnetism is a physical property, data remains in place even if power is cut, held by the magnet, not an active current. Flipping a magnetic pole is highly efficient. Since this process doesn't require the high-voltage pulses that physically wear down traditional memory cells over time, MRAM hardware offers significantly better long-term durability. MRAM addresses the data volatility problem by replacing fragile electrical Hohem patterns with stable magnetic states. Returning to the macro level, the impact of this technology on the user experience is immediate. With a spintronic drive, a sudden power failure is no longer a catastrophe for your data. Your computer remembers the exact state of your software precisely as you left it, regardless of the external power supply. The moment the power returns, you can resume your work or your game instantly, without any loading delays. By utilizing the magnetic power of the electron, computing enters an era of persistent, long-term memory.